You're watching UPN 9 News at 10.
The Transit Authority has been cracking down on workers wearing turbans and head wraps.
But now the head cover controversy for Muslim and Sikh employees gains momentum in their favor. Frank Cipolla explains.
The turban that sits atop the head of Kevin Harrington is a sign of his religious conviction. It's also the focus of a legal battle, which today took a turn against the MTA.
We absolutely expected the Justice Department to find what they did.
This Justice Department report supports Harrington's claim he was singled out by MTA supervisors, told to remove his turban while on the job. In the report, federal investigators say they spent several days watching other MTA employees and found more than 200 wearing unauthorized headgear, things like Russian hats and Mets and Yankees baseball caps. The MTA wouldn't comment because the case is ongoing, but the Justice Department report was very clear. It said the MTA selectively enforced its uniform policies against a handful of Sikh and Muslim employees while ignoring the violations of others.
It pretty much makes our case. The case is a slam dunk now. The law is clear. If you're going to discriminate, there has to be a valid reason for doing so. In this case, there's none.
Attorney Lonnie Hart is also suing on behalf of 4 female Muslim employees. They were told to remove their headscarves, called khimars. The entire case, he says, is rooted in prejudice.
For the past 2.5, almost 3 years, myself and co-counsel in this case have racked our brains trying to think of why this happened all of a sudden. And 9/11 is the only reasonable excuse.
I think it's time for the governor to step in and tell his appointees that they should stop wasting the public's money on litigation they can't win.
In the Bronx, Frank Cipolla, UPN 9 News.